I love a dog. Social media, dogs, that's me. That's what my soft side is. I watch puppies eating carrots, that's my shit. Or a golden retriever's first day at the pool, that's my shit. But you know what my favorite shit is? You ever seen when the dogs get chiropractic adjustments on Instagram? And it's confusing, but it's relieving because the dog don't know what the f going on. He on some table in a half Nelson, and some German dude with dangly earrings and blonde hair is just talking to him all sexy, like, caressing him, and all of a sudden he goes, and the dog goes,